Yeah, you know what it is now, know it. Yeah, see.
Oh no! Was she scared of her too on that?
Where's that? What the fuck? Tom, what'd you put in here? What the fuck did you put in here? Oh, that's weird. What the fuck was that? Bro! I can get me out of this thing, that fucking stinks! Dude, that's not funny! Oh my god.
What is that doing?
Because it's gonna blow up.